Assalamualaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to download JDK 15 in Windows 10 machine. So let's start. If you're new to my channel, subscribe to the channel, like the video. First of all, we'll download JDK 15 for the Windows 10 machine. I'll drop the link in the description of this video. Click on the here Windows 64 installer JDK 15 Windows 64. You need to download this one. Click on this. It shows the pop-up. And now from here click on, if you get pop-up from here, let me refresh, try to download again, and click on yes, mark with this one and click on download. So this will start downloading. So you need to click here on keep. So I already download this one for time saving, so it will download according to your internet speed. Now open the setup. When it's download, show in folder. Now execute the exe this file and follow the steps. Click on yes. Do you want to allow this app? Yes. Click on next. Next. It's take a little time. I'm pausing it here. Now click on next. If you want to get the tutorials, and just click on close. Now what we need to get the path of JDK. Program file Java JDK bin, and we need to copy this path and put in environment variables. Now type env and click enter. Now from here you need to set this in variables, system variables. Now click on here path. Now click down here and just paste it here. Now click on OK, OK, and OK. Type cmd. Now type java /vrs, and now you can see we have installed Java 15 in our system. So good luck guys. If you have any query or suggestion, feel free to comment below, subscribe the channel, like the video. I'll drop the download link in the description of this video.